All right, welcome to another crappie moment. We are fishing another morning in the 20s. It's warmed up a little bit since this morning. We're out here going to see if we can find some crappie today. Why does this keep happening? I'm going to talk about that this morning when it comes to crappie fishing. Why does this keep happening? Stay tuned. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, leave me a comment below. Those things really help the channel. If you're enjoying the content, do those things for me. I truly appreciate it. Let's get out here. Let's see if we can find us some fish. Tinky winky, y'all. Good gracious. Look at that tank. Good gracious, y'all. Big one, big one. Look at that belly. Oh. There we go. Another good one. Another gooder. Gooder. Just sitting out there suspended by himself. All right, let's talk about my setup. So I'm using my 7.5 foot ACC crappie sticks. I like this split grip. Split grip is great. I love it. I'm using 20-pound braid. Yes, I know 20 pounds are overkill. Right now I've got this 1/4 ounce because I'm fishing deeper water mostly. I've got this 1/4 ounce sickle hook on there. I have a Charlie Brewer black and chartreuse slider that's on there. I have a number 3 split shot. That 8mm bead just helps it to show up on Livescope better. That's my setup. Love it. All right, so somebody asked, why does this keep happening? How can I go to a known crappie location and not catch crappie? How can I go to where it's a known place that they're catching crappie and I can't find any crappie and I can't catch any crappie? Why? Because crappie aren't robots. You can't program crappie like you put an address into Google Maps and it automatically navigates you to where you're going. You know, they aren't going to always respond to the same conditions. They're not always going to be responding to the same presentations, the same color, the same style bait, the same way. You know, most people right now are fishing deeper water during January, but that doesn't mean that you can't catch crappie in shallow water. A 4-pound crappie right down the road from where I was at was just recently caught in less than 5 feet of water in January with water temperatures in the 40s. Crappie are being caught, you know, in shallow water right now, in water temperatures that are in the 40s right now. You know, crappie aren't robots. There are things that we can do that help us for sure, but at the end of the day, crappie are going to do what they want to do. And that is why one of the most important parts about crappie fishing is finding crappie. You can't catch crappie that you can't find. So spending time searching, I can't emphasize this enough. I know I've said it a lot on the channel, but it is so important. Spending time searching and finding is so extremely important. Getting out there and looking is a huge part of the battle when it comes to catching. So finding is what's going to result in catching. And sometimes they're not in those same places. They're just not, which means we need to go looking for them. We need to search for them. We don't need to depend on, oh, I know that is a great place where people are catching crappie in January. We need to get out there and go search for those crappie and go find those crappie. And finding is what will end up with the catching. So they're not robots. They're not always going to respond to all the same things. Yes, there are things that we know that can help us and point us in the right direction, but at the end of the day, we've got to go look for them. We have to spend time searching for the crappie. I hope that helps you. I know it's frustrating to go to places where you know that crappie are usually caught and they're not there. Go look for them. Don't give up. Go have you a good time. You'll find some places that will help you. You will catch crappie. Let's get out here and see if we can find us some more. You gotta wait for it. There we go. Just wanted to wait. Right there at the edge of the screen, that fish is sitting at 30. I'm getting ready to come right by him. He sees it, got him. Come here, you. There's a good keeper crappie. There's a good keeper crappie crop. All right, there we are. Come on. There we are. There we are. Oh yeah. He saw it and started to come to get it. He wanted it. which is a great place to catch crappie during the wintertime. All right, that's going to do it for today. Appreciate you tuning in. Appreciate all the subscribers, all the watchers, everybody that leaves a comment. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Please hit that subscribe button. Smack that like button. Do leave me a comment below. It really helps the channel out a whole lot. I know it's cold. Get out there. Go look for crappie, because you can't catch crappie that you don't find. Go searching. You'll find them. We'll see y'all next time.